Allie with the Potomac Bead Company, and I am so excited today to introduce to you our newest bead. This is the StormDuo. So the StormDuo, for those of you that may be members of our Facebook group for beading and jewelry making, remember seeing some of the different vintage molds that we had that we were looking at producing some of these older shapes, changing them out a little bit, making them 2 holes instead of 1 and curving it a little bit. This StormDuo came about after a trip of ours to the Czech Republic and looking at some of those different molds. And we are happy that it is now in production and now ready and available for you guys. The StormDuo is a curved shape, and you can see kind of the 2-hole nature of it. I have it strung here in the Crystal Lab full color, having those 2 holes. It is flat on both sides, which is nice because it does not have a puff on one side, so you don't need, to worry about that as you're stringing. You will notice that when you're stringing, you can string them kind of towards one another, like on the right or the left, or you can string them away from one another, like my split in the middle. The StormDuo is 3 by 7 millimeters, and we will be selling them in the tubes. You may have seen some designers working with them, and we'll be coming out with lots of videos in the next couple weeks. But I wanted to show you guys the beads literally just came in, and I just had them hand delivered from me, from Nathan, coming home from Europe, and I am getting to play with them. So yay! But to show you the StormDuos, we have in the introductory colors. We have the Crystal Full Capri. We have the bronze, amber in that nice golden color, hematite. We have the jet, Crystal Lab, white lilac gold luster, white baby blue luster, white teal luster, and then we have the apricot full, the jet red luster. I know that always throws everybody else off. The jet red luster is actually green. It's the red luster on the jet bead, and it turns it green, which is kind of a fun thing. And then we also have some in production, and that you may have seen, like I said, with some of our designers that we sent out samples to in the aluminum silver, the Aztec gold, and the copper. Those are coming as well for you guys to play with and onto the market. But I just wanted to show you this StormDuo, how it kind of fits together, and how those arches go. So you can also see it when it's moved and kind of added together. It's almost going to be like little flames, or the reason it came about was it looks like that center of the eye storm. When you watch the different weather channel, you have that tornadoes signs. You can see kind of how it's lining up and playing around next to one another. So we're really excited to bring you this another StormDuo. Potomac Bead Company exclusive. You can always get yours at PotomacBeads.com and PotomacBeads.eu. We're happy to ship you our brand new StormDuo. We love to see what you guys make with them, and also see the different designs that are coming out as well. If you want to, you can also subscribe to this YouTube channel. That will give you regular updates on new product spotlights like the StormDuo, as well as new designs and new techniques that we are constantly learning and teaching in order to educate you and to make you become a better beader. So stay tuned for more videos. You can also check us out on social media and stay connected with us that way, and have fun placing your orders and getting excited to create with our newest bead, the StormDuo.